All right, let's get right into a super important part of speaking Thai. You ever have that moment in Thailand where the words just won't come out?
Yeah, that super awkward moment when you can't even say my friend. But what if I told you one little word could fix all of that?
And here it is. Kong. This is your master key for ownership.
Pronunciation is super easy. Just think of the Kong in King Kong.
The formula couldn't be easier. Thing, then Kong, then the person. Let's try it.
Okay, back to that friend you were trying to introduce. Let's fix it.
So you just say friend, Kong, and then I. Super simple, right?
Okay, here's another one you'll use all the time. Talking about your mom. It's mom, then Kong, then I. Note that Chan is for females. So easy.
Let's try a really practical one you can use literally today.
You got it. Phone number, then Kong, and then you. Done.
Okay, want to know a little secret to sound way more like a local?
So here's the trick. A lot of times, native speakers just drop it.
See? The local version is way shorter and sounds so much more natural.
So when can you drop it? When the relationship is super obvious. Think family. Honestly, this one little change will make you sound way less like a textbook.
Okay, your turn to try it out. How would you say, our teacher?
I'll even give you the words you need to piece it together.
So, can you figure out both versions, the standard and the local way?